Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to use Google Jamboard for the remote teaching. This particular platform is very helpful for nowadays teacher or some researcher because of you can use this platform and explain your work proper way as a document wise. How to use it? Jamboard. Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply log in your Gmail account. I already log in using my email address. So look at this, you just press here Google app 9 dots, search here Jamboard. So here Jamboard application is available default, and this application now relate on my Gmail address. I am doing anything on that particular framework or web page, all data automatically save copy on my Gmail address. That one is the platform, and you can continuously share this file for number of people, even students. That one is amazing of Google Jamboard feature. So how to create new web page? Look at this here, plus sign is there, new jump. You just simply click here, and here this is your whiteboard, like you are teaching here, and then explain your logic. You can select here pen and then explain here. Suppose your handwriting is the best for this particular mouse, so you can explain very easily here, like that perspective 2 plus 2 equal to 4. First of all, you train your brain accordingly how to use properly mouse and then use these features. That one is amazing. This one is a eraser also available here. Some mouse related concepts is also available. You can create some new sticky notes, done work today, and save this one. So automatically this note comes here. Accordingly you can drag and drop small size, big size of this particular text. You can add some images also here. So simply I add one image here, like suppose I add this image here in this particular page. So accordingly this image are come here. You can drag and drop, or you can move it any location of this particular image. That one is amazing feature one of. Then here cursor option are available. You can use these features, explain some mathematics problem to draw, how to draw, and then fill it some color or explain something. You can using this one add some text here, hello, or like this way. Some basic, again some mouse is this one is the best option, like automatically click. You can explain like this, arrow is automatically color like this way. So here I am explaining, so automatically erase this data. That one is amazing. Set a background. You can set as a background of your board, like a black background, white background, which background you like of the particular your board. So accordingly you decide and then change the background, work here, and all data are saved automatically. Otherwise you can download as a PDF format here. So this data is automatically download here and look like this in PDF format, and you can use anywhere this particular data, which types of content you explaining today to your students. Accordingly you copy day by day and then save it as a name wise, like I am saying Research Rock Jamboard. Accordingly you share this here option, rename this document, save as image, remove, make a copy, get help, feedback. Otherwise you can share directly this particular note someone, as well as copy this link and share your Google Classroom notes or Google Classroom notification. That one is amazing. So definitely you are doing nowadays in Google Classroom perspectives. You can use Jamboard of Google and explain more better way to your students. It's very simple how to use Jamboard. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.